Welcome cloud lovers. So today we will be going to create EBS volume and attach it with the EC2 instance. That will be the part 1. And in the part 2 of this video, we will be format and mount this EBS storage. So let's start. Go to aws.amazon.com and then click on sign into the console. If you do not have your account with AWS, then go to aws.amazon.com/free to create your free tier account. Now click on services and click on compute to go to the EC2 dashboard. Here we are in the EC2 dashboard. Click on instance running and here you can see the instance which we have created with the name Ubuntu. Okay, so here one thing which we want to see is availability zone. So availability zone is US East 1B. Okay, remember it. Now go to EBS, that is Elastic Block Store volumes. Click on volumes and now you can see a root volume already created here. So that is the volume which has been created while we have created the EC2 instance. So now click on create volume. Okay, so we will go with the general purpose volume type and the size will be 5 GB. That will be great. And availability zone. So the instance availability zone was US East 1B. That is, my instance is in US East 1B availability zone. So I will choose the same availability zone for my EBS. And that is it. Click on create volume. Our volume is up and running. Here we can see our volume 5 GB. Name it my Ubuntu storage. Save it. So the next step is to attach this volume with the EC2 instance. So select this volume, click on actions and click on attach volume. Once you click on attach volume, it will ask you to connect with which instance. So choose your instance here. That is my Ubuntu instance running and that is it. Leave it as it is and click on attach volume. Now your volume is attached with your EC2 instance. You want to check it? Okay. Go to instances, go to your instance and click on storage and here you can see the volume of 5 GB which we have created is attached with your EC2 instance. That is it for the part 1. Please check the description box for part 2 link. Thank you so much for watching.